What's up, YouTube? Scratch back here. I'm doing my first oil change on the WEN 4800 charge generator, inverter, generator, whatever you want to call it. It's been doing a wonderful job. This is the break-in period. It's been about maybe, I think you're supposed to do it at 8 hours, but I'm more so at 11 or 12, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this oil change for the first time for the break-in and see what this oil look like. I don't like the oil change process here. I think I'm gonna figure out another way to do this for next time. I think there's another, like 2 more during this kind of break-in period where you need to change the oil. I think it's like 2 or 3 times before you can just, do it every so often. But the oil was definitely dirty. Check it out. How much is that? It's not 100% accurate, but looks to be about 12 ounces of oil that came out of there, and some of it spilled down in there. So I need to get a rag and kind of wipe that out. That's why I don't like that. They need a better way to do this. Trying to see if there's any shavings or something. Guess I wouldn't see them on here. They do make an aftermarket dipstick that has I think a magnet on it. So yeah, but good deal. All right, WEN, if you're listening, we need a better oil change process with this. I don't mind turning it on the side and dumping it out, but I don't like the fact that it goes down into the case. Because I carry this thing around, it's small enough to carry around inside my truck. And I don't want to have oil slick inside of my truck. So yeah, maybe something to screw on to the thread so you can dump the oil out and just let it drain on down the hose. I'm gonna buy some type of adapter. I'm gonna make some type of adapter for the next process or the next oil change. But that's the oil change. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a half quart back in here like I did before when it was on E, I believe. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.